Okay, so now that we know how to hold our bow, we need to learn about how to move it as for up bows and down bows. Now, with other instruments like, say, the violin or the viola, it's easy to know which way the bow is moving. If our hand is moving down, we call that a down bow. Pretty simple. With the hand moving up for the violin or viola, that is an up bow. We just simply call it whichever direction the hand happens to be moving for those instruments. Now, the thing is, the cello, we hold it differently than those, so our hand's not going to be moving up and down. It's going to be moving from side to side. So we need to understand which direction is going to be the down bow for us. Pretty simple, though. Right here, remember the frog? Whenever the frog is moving away from the instrument, like this, that is a down bow stroke. Just simply when the frog moves away from the instrument. That's how it is for cello. In fact, if you were to do it on a violin, a downward motion for the down bow, the frog is still moving away from the violin. So remember, down bow strokes is whenever the frog moves away from the instrument. Now, we also have up bow strokes, and that's just simply the opposite. Down bows was the frog moving away. Up bow is the frog moving towards the instrument. That's the same way it would be for a violin. The hand moves up, the frog then is moving closer to the violin. So for our purposes on the cello, frog moving away is down. Frog moving closer is up. Now, sometimes in music, we need to be told when the bow needs to move down or when it needs to move up. And we have two symbols in music to tell us that. If you look right here, this right here is a down bow symbol. It just simply looks like an upside down box with a pretty thick bar on top. Every time you see that above a note, that means that the bow needs to move down for that note. Like that. Now, we also have over here an up bow symbol. It just simply looks like a V. Every time you see that above a note, that means to move your bow up. As we go through our lessons, you're going to be seeing these symbols come up in your sheet music. So just remember, when you see that one, that means to move the bow down, frog moving away from the instrument. And when you see that one, that means to move the bow up, frog moving towards the instrument.